it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook potato omelets. And these are the ingredients you need. I have 3 slices of bacon, 3 eggs, 1 onion, 2 potato, water, oil, salt, and pepper. First, I'm going to chop off the bacon. Okay, I'm cooking in medium heat and I put in the bacon. I do not need to put any oil because there's grease that comes out from the bacon. So cook it until it's golden brown. Now I can smell the bacon. So now I'm going to move it to one side of my pan, and the other side I put in my onion. And then cook until the smell comes out from the onion, and then I'll add in the rest of it. While we're waiting for the bacon and the onion fry to golden brown, I'm going to crack the eggs. Back to the onion and the bacon. I'll cook a little bit more golden brown first. Okay, I think it's brown enough. So I'm going to add in the potato, put in some pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, I'm going to add in some water, half a cup. Cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. It's not fully cooked, but let me stir it anyway. So now I am going to add in the egg. Now I'm going to cover for another 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes has gone by, and this is what it looks like. Let's see. So I'll put my 10-inch plate over it, and then I go, whoa. So it sticks, kind of stick because of the starch. So I just put it all back. Let's put it all back to here on the top. Make it nice. Now put some oil. About 1.5 tablespoons. And now I'm going to slide it back in. It's not cooked yet. It's still hard. So I'm going to cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Use the same plate that I used earlier. Do the same thing. Back to here. And then there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.